Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove people from a photo with Snapseed. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open your Snapseed app. Now select a photo that you want to edit and then go to Tools and then select the double exposure. Now add again a photo that you just added right here and then drag it sidewards just like what I'm doing right here. Now you can also adjust its opacity by clicking this icon right here, and then once you're done, click the icon at the top right corner and then select the view edits. Now select the double exposure and click the brush icon. Now from there, you're just gonna have to brush the object that you want to remove. You can also select this C icon right here to see what you're doing so far, and just continue doing that until you remove the object that you want to remove. And then after that, go to healing and then just smoothen out. We want to make sure that it is not obvious that we just remove a object right here. And then once you're done, just save your picture, and then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.